What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, our good friends over at VeGue shot us over one of their VM50 condenser microphones for us to take a look at right here on the channel. So that is what we're going to be doing in this video today. Now, first and foremost, I do want to say thank you to them for actually sending it out, because you guys know that I appreciate any and everything we get on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then you might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so if you are looking for this microphone, you can find it on Amazon. I will throw a link up in the description for you guys, but the price will run you about $59.99. And once again, this is the VeGue VM50 USB condenser microphone that features a volume control knob. It has a 1-button mute switch. It has a headphone jack so that you can monitor your audio. It does say that it has no latency. It has a USB-C port. It also comes with a metal pop filter. It has a 2-in-1 USB cable that I will show you guys. It also has a metal shock mount, and it also does come with a metal base plate. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the box. So looking at this box, man, it looks really nice, and you guys know how I feel about a decent presentation. This is a great presentation right here. Right here we got VeGue, got the VM50 condenser microphone. Got a little bit of information going right there. VeGue on that side as well. Right here we got the cardioid pattern, plug and play, clear sound, and then you guys can pause the screen right here if you want to take a look at any of this information on the back as well. Once you open up this box, let's go ahead and pop it. Once you open up this box, first things first, you're going to be greeted with your instruction manual right here. As you can see, it's pretty thick, so make sure you guys go through that as well if you need to. Right here, you're going to have your USB cable. This is a USB dual cable, so it has the USB port right here, and then it has two USB-Cs connected to it right here as well, if you guys can see that right there. So put that off to the side. Right here, you're going to have your microphone. If I can get it out, move the box out of the way. This is the microphone itself right here. This is what it's going to look like for you guys right here. I will brighten this up here in a minute, but this is what it looks like. Has a all metal design. I like the way it looks. All metal. We got our volume knob right here under the bottom. We have the USB-C and a headphone jack right here. Has a shock mount. Everything is metal, as you guys can see. It's a metal design. Hopefully you guys can see this. All metal design. I'm really digging this. Got some VeGue branding going on right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but for the most part, it's heavy, it's sturdy, looks real nice, and I actually dig it, man. So real quick, what I want to do for you guys is I'm gonna get this thing set up, and we're gonna go ahead and see what this microphone sounds like. Now, keep in mind I have been using my wireless microphone for right now, so this at least give you guys a quick little representation of what it's gonna sound like once I switch over the microphone and start using the VeGue VM50. So give me 1 second, be right back. All right, guys, so this is what the mic is gonna sound like. Hopefully it is sounding different from when I just had my wireless microphone on. Now, I will be honest and tell you guys that I was recording with my iPhone at one point, and I had it plugged directly into my iPhone, and it sounded amazing. I'm testing out the quality right now with the ZV-1, so hopefully it sounds pretty good with the ZV-1. But what I will do is my very next clip, I'll go ahead and show you guys with the iPhone. I'll put the iPhone right here, and I'll plug it directly into the iPhone and let you guys see the difference. So just keep in mind, this clip is with the ZV-1. This is what it sounds like. You guys know that I do have like a little bit of a hack to get USB microphones to work with my ZV-1. So this is what it's gonna sound like with the ZV-1. I got the volume turned about halfway up on the mic, and I got my ZV-1 always, the audio gain level is always set to 5 in the ZV-1. I got some noise going on upstairs. My son is sitting literally right next to me. Hopefully he don't start making noise, but this is what it sounds like with the ZV-1. So I'm gonna switch the camera right now to the iPhone and let you guys hear that quality as well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is the audio quality that you can get from the iPhone if you was to plug it directly in. Keep in mind, I was just using the ZV-1, so compare the ZV-1 with the iPhone as far as the audio quality goes. But keep in mind, with the ZV-1, I have to kind of perform a little bit of a hack to get the USB microphone to work with it. But these microphones are specifically for like computers, iPhones, and things like that, Android phones and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. But this is the audio quality that you can get from your iPhone if you was to use it with your iPhone. Again, the volume is turned up halfway. I am monitoring the audio, and I think I'm about maybe 6 inches or so away from the microphone. But I want you guys to pay attention to the sound quality coming directly from the iPhone and the sound quality coming from my hacked ZV-1. All right, so this is the audio quality that you can get from this microphone. All right, you guys, so I decided to go ahead and close this video out with the iPhone 12 since it is already right here. Once again, this has been the VeGue VM50. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you in some way. And if you did happen to find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.